everyone, welcome to another episode of J&B Tuning. Guess what? I have another package for you guys, and I'm just about to rip it all apart and show you what I have. So here it is, basically. It's nicely packaged, all the way from China. Nicely wrapped, making sure that it is safe. All right. Moment of truth. Sealed nicely. There we go. So I got the fins for my rear. Basically, these are the vertical fins for the hatch on the Golf. So let's see what I have here. Just to show you what they look like. Basically, they're pretty much the same as the OEM that you get through Volkswagen. It's nicely wrapped for sure. They really are pretty careful on how they're packing this up. They don't get damaged through the process. All right. Ta-da! So here we go, guys. So looks nice. I'm gonna be installing it in shortly here. I'll get this other one off, and I'll get the fins, and I'll install them. So, folks, before we stick these fins in, I usually would like to clean this area up, making sure there's no oil residues or fingerprints that's basically in here. So what I'm going to use is I have isopropylene alcohol, which is basically a rubbing alcohol, and just to clean this area up before we do so on both ends. So just put some of this here. Just clean that area nicely. Sure there's no oil residues there that the other side. So now usually there is a tape that we have to undo. It's a 3M tape. So probably what I'll do is get the top going and then stick the bottom right after that. So that's what we're gonna do. So we'll take the top tape off. These things are a little tricky. So I'm gonna start with the top first. Line it up nicely, and then I'll work my way down. So I'm just gonna go halfway there, and I'll try to line it up. Let's see. pull this throughout. Now, let's stick this baby in. Nicely. Time being, make sure that everything's touching. That is nice. See how that looks like, guys? As you can see, it's nicely seated in there. See from the side. It's nice. So now I'm gonna try and do the other side process. I'll basically stick it in there for you, and after that I will show you what the end result will be, given that I can't get my camera over on that side. So anyways, once I get the other side in, I will show you what I have. Alright folks, now it's all installed. Just want to show you how it looks like having both sides in now. As you can see, that's how it looks like from the side. That's nice. And going around, that's beautiful. I was a little bit worried that my whole Volkswagen sticker decal here will be all hidden in the process, but it's not so bad. You can still see it. It looks nice. And the other side, it installed well as well. So yeah, I like it. It looks really nice. Gives it a bit of a aggressive look to it. Stay tuned on another video coming up here. I'm putting in a Maxton wing extension for the spoiler here. Make it look a little longer than what it is right now. It's fairly short compared to what the GTIs and the Rs have. But anyways, that will do for now. So far, as you can see, it looks really nice. I really like it. So anyhow, I'll check back to you in a bit.